Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You had a question on how to access your fuel tank. If you missed my video on how to remove your racks and fenders, be sure to check that out up here. It'll show you how to get down to your fuel tank. And then as far as pulling your fuel tank out, you're going to have a few different points that are mounting it to the frame. If you need to replace it or anything, you'll have to pull it out. It is mounted to the frame itself, and it is underneath the frame rails here. You'll just undo those, and then you can slide it out. It'll slide out here on this side where the filler tube is. That will allow you to replace your fuel tank. You do have to get your fenders out of the way, undo some wiring, and get your fuel line out of there. To replace the fuel pump itself, I have a video on how to do that here. You do not have to remove the tank. You can get to it all there. Be sure to check out those other how-tos on how to removing the fenders, fuel pump, and all that sort of stuff. And that should help get you going in getting your fuel pump replaced or getting down to your fuel tank so you can replace that. Hope this video helped you out. Be sure to ask any other questions down below. Be sure to subscribe and follow along, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
About to leave, already packing, come with me.